I'm going to talk you through how to create new assignments and how to link them to topics through your Google Classroom. So once you're in your class, which this is called Classroom Assignment because this is for a class that I'm doing on Google Classroom, you go up to Classwork. There we go. And you can choose a couple different ways to do this. You can either add an assignment to an already created topic. The topics are in the larger blue font, and then the assignments and the attachments and what have you are listed below it. Or you can go up to Create, and you can, under Create, add an assignment, a quiz, question, material, reuse an old post from a different class, or you can create a new topic. If you create a new topic, that's not going to give you any assignments. You have to actually go in and do the assignment. If you get into creating an assignment and you realize you haven't put a topic in yet, you can actually create a new topic as you're doing the assignment, and I will show you. Hang on, I don't know why that did that. There we go. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So you click on assignment and you type in the title of the assignment you want to do. Mine is going to be the Baroque era worksheet. And you can include instructions telling the students what they need to do. And then you can give it points. You can use the you can click on this and it'll drop down. You can say if it's ungraded, or you can tell what points it's worth. This is worth 10 points. Here you can do a due date. Sorry. Click on the calendar drop down menu and click which day you want it to be due. I'll make it due this Friday. If you want to give it a time that it's due, you can put that in as well. And then this is where you can create a topic for it to be in if it doesn't belong in any of your other topics. So I'm going to create a topic, and it's going to go into the Baroque era as a topic. Here is where you can add your assignment. You can either attach an assignment, go from Google Chrome, update or upload a YouTube video, or include a URL link. I'm going to use Google Chrome and click on that. I'm sorry, Google Drive. And was checking to make sure it had everything on it that I wanted on it. So it's already popping up as something that I've already viewed recently. I'm going to click on that, click Add, and there it appears. Now here, you can choose one of three options. Students can view the file, so they can only see it but not edit it. Here, all students can edit it, and this means that all students see each other's edits on the same one file. Or you can make a copy for each student. Basically, this is the digital way of making one piece of paper for each student, copy worksheet type thing. So I'm going to make a copy for each student so that each student has their own answers and that they're not writing on only one copy. And then I'm going to click Assign. And here it appears with the topic, and here's my assignment. I hope you found this rather helpful, and we'll see you again next time.